Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, first add the color palette that you want and we're gonna use it the way that I'm gonna do right now. Just follow what I'm gonna do here. So when you import your color palette, just double click on it so it appears here. After that, just click on it and use undock panel. And after that you can make it smaller, and here you are, boom, you can use your color palette from here. I've been seeing you guys commented how I do this like 10 times, so here you go guys. Alright, after you add your color palette here, let's start making our background. So let's right click here and add a new solid layer, and let's use this color. After that, duplicate this, and here just search for wipe. As you can see, there are so many wipe options, so I'm gonna use radial wipe. After that, change this to both. After you add the radial wipes, go to your effects and presets and search for fill effect, so you can change the color of the layer from now on. So I'm just gonna use this blue. Okay, now let's add the keyframes for the radial wipe. Alright, first make it all the way to 100 and then add another keyframe and change it to 0. Then press U on your keyboard so you can see the keyframes that you just made. Easy is it. And after that, just do any kind of graph based on your edit. This is pretty good for me. Yeah. So after you did that, duplicate it one time, then go to the layer below this, change its color to white, and go to effects and presets, search for wipe stripes and add it to that layer. Change the wipe percent to 80 and change the frequency to 35. After that, go to the first layer, the top layer, and move it 2 to 3 frames forward. It's really based on you. Alright. After that, keep duplicating it and change its color so you have a cool transition background. Okay, after you did all of that, add another solid layer. Can be any color, but I'm gonna use a white solid and move it all the way here. Then go to effects and presets and search for wipe stars. Add the wipe stars to your layer, and again change the wipe percent to 100, sorry. Then go to the start of your layer and add a keyframe there, and then go forward and change this to all the way to 0. Then press U on your keyboard so you can see the keyframes that you just made. Easy is it. And then add the graph that you want. Alright, this is pretty good for me. After that, duplicate that layer, add fill effect to it so you can change its color, which I'm going to use yellow, and change it, I don't know, 3 to 4 frames forward. This is good. And then keep doing that until you're satisfied. Alright, now search for wipe checker. Now add that to this layer, and now again change it to wipe on from background. First change the wipe percent to 0, then change this to 100, and also do the same keyframes for the opacity. So it's going to look like this. It's another kind of flash for your background, like you can duplicate it and add it to the different era of your edits for your background. This is pretty actually famous and lots of editors do it. Alright, after you did all of that, there is something that I usually do and I think it gives a better look for my background, is that I add another solid layer and change this color to white, and I search for wipe stripes, add that to your layer, and change the wipe percent to 85 and change the frequency to 85 as well. So it's going to give this, I don't know what it's called, a blurry effect. I don't know, in my opinion it looks pretty much better and it's giving a really better background. So yeah, this is pretty much what I wanted to say in this tutorial. Hope this tutorial helps you guys. This is exactly the background that I use in my recent edits. So yeah, if you want any other tutorial for my recent edits, just let me know in the comments. See you guys soon.